In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Samsung phone faster. At least, it's going to make your Samsung phone twice faster, and you don't need to uninstall any application or install any third-party application. This feature is built right on your Samsung phone. Now, to make sure that your Samsung phone performance is improved, you need to follow the steps I'm about to share with you in this video. So, go to your Samsung phone settings. One of the settings, scroll down and click on About Phone. Then click on Software Information. Locate your Samsung phone build number and tap it like 7 times. Then tap in your unlock password when you are prompted to do that, and click on the done button. Once you click on the done button, you should see developer mode enabled. Then go back to your Samsung phone settings page and scroll down. You should see an option called the developer options. Click on that and then scroll down to the bottom of the page until you get to the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. Then click on the window animation scale and make sure you choose 0.5. Then tap on transition animation scale and click 0.5. Lastly, tap animator duration scale and tap 0.5. There you go. If you try to open an application on your iPhone, you should see your iPhone responding very fast to each of the action you take on the device. So this is how to make your Samsung phone faster even without installing any application or removing any application from your device. If you found this one interesting, you want to hit like button, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.